to my channel. If new one new, my name is Yusuke. It's been a while to post a video. There was a lot going on, and there was the biggest reason why I couldn't post a video for a while, which was my computer. I've been using this MacBook Air since 2014, I think. This is 13-inch MacBook Air. Like, I had no problem with this. I also used this computer when I was in a graduate school. I was 100% satisfied with this computer, with this laptop. However, since I started this YouTube channel, I was 100% satisfied with this computer, even when I was in graduate school. I even wrote my master's thesis with this computer. However, when it comes to editing videos, this laptop is not as powerful as I want it to be. So I decided to buy a new laptop because I wanted to make better quality videos, and I wanted to post more often on my channel. And it has arrived today, which I've waited for so long. Like, it feels so long. Actually, it took just a week for it to arrive, but it felt like ages. And here it is. So today I am going to unbox my new laptop with you guys. Yay! Yatta! I am a Mac user. I am a big fan of Apple, so I use iPhone, and I also have an iPad and then MacBook Air. I think I bought them from a store, so this is actually my first time to order online Apple products. And this has arrived like this. It's a huge box. It's a bit heavy. Can you see how big it is? Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. I don't know how to open it. Oh, okay. Here it is. Can I just break it? Break it to open. I'm so excited. Like, I love the excitement like you feel when you open a box. It's like it's the same excitement you get when you received birthday present or like Christmas gifts. When you open the box. You know that, right? Yes. It's in it. It's in the box. The MacBook Pro. Yeah, this time I bought MacBook Pro 13-inch, which was released this year. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ta-da! Yeah. It looks so good. It looks perfect. It looks so sophisticated. Yes. Okay, let's open it. So, see, you can easily open the box from here. Brand new laptop, MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 model. It's a new one, brand new one. Let's take a look. Look at this. and it's not heavy at all. It's so easy to carry around. Wow. And the color is space gray. I'm not gonna introduce all of the specs I chose for this MacBook Pro because this is not a tech channel, because I wanted a good laptop for my channel for editing videos. And I guess it's worth the price. Hope so. You know, so this is space gray. I spent so much time on deciding the color, so I couldn't really decide on which to choose. And you know, here's a funny story. When I was choosing some options to customize my laptop on Apple's website, I was like too focused on doing so. I couldn't really pay attention to the color, and I totally forgot to choose the color. When I noticed that I hadn't chosen the color, you know, it was after I placed the order. So I got a little panicked, but you know, the default color of MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 model was this space gray. So that's why I got this color. But you know, since I like both of the colors, I'm totally happy with this one. 100% satisfied. If my friends are watching this, I think they would say, "That's so Yusuke." I'm so inattentive. I am, like, in short, I'm so ADD. I get distracted by things so easily, and I forget things, like everything. I forget everything, and I even forgot to choose the color of your laptop you are buying. But anyway, after all, I got what I wanted. I've always wanted, and I am so excited to be working on my YouTube channel with this new laptop. And I'm sure I'll be editing this video on this new laptop right now. And then, so I'm gonna get this thing set up. So I'll see you later in a bit.